If your iPhone is stuck in iPhone lock to honor screen or activation lock screen, or your iPhone is disabled, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna show you how to fix this easily and bypass iCloud activation lock with a simple click, and it supports the iOS 26 as well. So this is my iPhone SE and it's stuck on iPhone lock to honor and I can't use it at all. So today I'm gonna show you how to unlock your iPhone without password in just one simple click using a great tool called AnyUnlock iPhone Password Unlocker. AnyUnlock is a powerful tool that helps you to remove any iPhone screen lock, bypass Apple ID and iCloud activation lock, remove SIM lock restrictions, unlock iPhones even if you forgot the passcode, remove screen time password, and remove MDM without losing data. Whether your iPhone is locked to honor, disabled, a second hand, or stuck on iCloud screen, AnyUnlock has your back. So here, as you can see, AnyUnlock tool will help you to unlock any iPhone, iPad password instantly with iOS 26 support and Android 16 as well. Unlock any screen passcode like PIN code, Face ID, Touch ID, or custom codes, all in a click. Remove Apple ID and iCloud activation lock so you can regain full access with no password needed on all iOS versions including iOS 26. Bypass MDM restrictions and remove profiles supervision instantly. Actually, AnyUnlock cover more locks like SIM lock, iTunes backup password, screen time passcode, and many more. If you scroll down here, you can see more of the software features. The tool can unlock Apple ID so you can remove the old Apple ID and sign in with a new one, unlock screen passcode, remove any screen passcode, bypass MDM lock, and even remove SIM lock, which can unlock SIM restrictions and switch freely to any carrier worldwide. Okay, let's download the tool and test it. Go ahead and click download. It supports both Windows and Mac OS. I will download Mac OS version. Okay, it's now downloading. The download has finished. Okay, open the downloaded file to install the tool. Now open the installer to install it. I've already installed it. Once installed, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the tool and this is the main interface. Here we have many options. I will quickly explain all these options in case you don't know what these options do. So first, here we have unlock screen passcode. This will remove all types of screen passcode from iOS in a few simple clicks. With unlock Apple ID option, this will remove Apple ID and iCloud account from iOS device securely. With bypass iCloud activation lock option, you can bypass iCloud activation lock on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch instead. With bypass MDM, you can either bypass mobile device management without losing any data or remove local device management from iOS devices. With remove iTunes backup encryption, this will turn off iTunes backup encryption without knowing the password. With unlock screen time passcode, you can remove screen time passcode on iOS device safely. And with remove SIM lock option, you can easily remove SIM lock from various iPhone devices. So if you insert a SIM card and you see SIM not supported or SIM not valid, this option can quickly remove SIM card lock to switch any carrier freely. With more tools option here, you can find more options. With turn off find my iPhone, you can turn off find my iPhone completely and use the device as brand new. With iOS password manager, you can securely browse, restore, and export passwords stored on your iOS device. With iTunes backup password recovery, you can get back encrypted iTunes backup password. With find Apple ID, you can find out your Apple ID instantly. With device verification, you can verify some device details with a few clicks before you buy a used iPhone. And finally, with turn off camera sound, this will completely disable camera sound and allow you to take photos silently on your device. So this is all the tool options we have. Now what I'm gonna show you today is how to bypass iCloud. So let's open bypass iCloud option. Okay, go ahead and connect your device and click start now. Here you can confirm and see your device information. As you can see, I'm using iPhone SE with iOS 15.8.8. Make sure to click agree button here and then click bypass now. Now the final step is to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Here make sure to select your iPhone model. Just follow the steps in the tool to put your device into DFU mode. I will put my device into DFU mode. So I will click the power button and home button together. Once the screen turns off, keep holding for 5 seconds, then release the power button and keep holding the home button until the tool detects the device in DFU mode. Okay, the tool detected the device. It will now start bypassing the iCloud activation lock. Your device should show some beautiful text like this. Now just wait for the tool to finish bypassing iCloud. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, iCloud activation lock is bypassed successfully. The last thing you need to do is just go ahead and set up your device as normal. Okay, now it should jump directly to data and privacy screen without showing iCloud activation lock. As you see, no more iCloud activation lock. I will complete setting up the device. I will speed up the video. And boom, to the home screen, no more iCloud lock. Okay, now I will sign in to my Apple ID to test it and download some apps. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm now signed in. I will try to download an app. Okay, I will download YouTube. Okay, download. As you can see, it's now downloading, and that's it. Now you can download any app you want and use your device as normal. Final thoughts, now let's talk about AnyUnlock iPhone Password Unlocker. The software supports all iPhones and iPad models, including the latest iOS 26 and iPhone 17 series. It works for situations like iPhone is disabled, forgot iPhone passcode, stuck in AnyUnlock, or purchased a second-hand iPhone with iCloud activation lock. So guys, go ahead and join thousands of users who've successfully unlocked their iPhones using AnyUnlock iPhone Unlocker. Click the link below the video to download the tool and get back into your device. No hassle and no Apple ID needed. Make sure to use the discount code, which you can find in the description below this video. With all the software features, I can give it 8 out of 10. And this is our video for today. Like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more amazing tools and reviews, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and peace out.